Good afternoon, and once again, you're welcome to our QED Mathematics Online class. QED simply means quite easily done. Math is quite simple. Now, I want to discuss on logarithm. Logarithm. When we talk about logarithm in details, let us look at what is called powers. The use of power, also called indices or exponents, provides a convenient form of algebraic shorthand. And look at the rules of the rules of power that we have, or the rules of integers I mean. The first one is when you have a raised power m multiplied by a raised power m. This simply means a into raised power m plus n. A raised power m plus. Now, so the multiplication in the middle of the two a's shows that their powers will add each other. An example is given 8 power 5 times 8 power 5 to power 2. This simply means a into power 5 plus 2, which is a7. So it's quite simple. Look at the second one, a raised power m divided by a raised power n. This simply means a raised power m minus n. So because this has division in between the two variables, then the powers are going to subtract each other. So that is an example is given to a raised power 5 divided by a raised power 2. That simply means a raised power 5 minus 2, which is a raised power 3. Then look at the third example. A is in bracket this time around. 8 power m is in bracket, and outside the bracket we have another power of n. This simply means a raised power mn. That is m and n is multiplying each other. Examples as well given. When we have a raised power 5, and after the bracket we have 2. That simply means a raised power 5 times 2, or we can just say a power 5 times a raised power 5, since we are squaring what is in the bracket, which is 8 power 5 plus 5, which is 8 power 10. Then we use the first rule to to solve this third one. Now, these three basic rules list a number of important rules. Look at the fourth one. 8 power 0 is 1. Any number raised to the power of 0 is 1. That is because a raised power n divided by a raised power n is something like saying a raised power n minus n. And this is also like saying a m over a n. So if n is equal to n, then what do we have? We have m minus n, which is 0, or we have am over am, which is 1. So our a naught is 1. And the fifth example, the last law, the rule number 5, says a inverse of n is something like saying 1 over a raised power n. That's because a inverse of n is this, and so a inverse of n is equal to 1 over a raised power n. This is another law which you need to take note of. And when you have a raised to the power of 1 over n, a fraction, this is a fraction, then something like saying n squared a n squared. So anything you have in the numerator will be what to square with. From this, it follows that a n n is something like saying n squared a in bracket this power n. So let's just check some examples and see how it is done. Example number 1. We have simplified the following: 1, 6x raised power minus 4 times 2x raised power 3 divided by 8x raised power minus 3. And here the second example. Let's see the solution to the first example. Yes, since it is multiplication in between them, we need to just multiply 6 times 2, which is 12. Then x, since it's multiplication in between them, we'll add their powers. That will be minus 4 plus 3. And minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. And what we have under in the denominator is 8x minus 3. That is 8x raised power minus 3. Then, when you divide by 4 can divide 12 and 8. We have 3 over 2. Then, since it is division, then the powers of x will subtract each other. That is minus 1 minus 3. Minus times minus is plus. So minus 1 plus 3 will be 2. So our answer is 3 over 2 x squared. Quite easily done. Very simple. Just follow the steps. Check the rules and you get the answer. Now look at number 2. We have e equals to, the first bracket is squared, and what is in the bracket is 5x squared y, 5x squared y raised to the power minus 3 over 2, z raised to the power 1 over 4. That bracket is squared. Multiply by another bracket, which is 4x raised to the power 4, y squared z. Then the bracket and raised to the power minus 1 over 2. Then when you open the bracket, we have this. Then the 5 since it's squared, we squared it. We have this times 4. We have this for half. We have this. Then we use our rule and we solve this. Please check that in your own solution at home and you arrive at this answer. It is quite easy. Now we want you to do this and compare your result with our own result. We have 3 all over 2ab square root of ab. Compare with your result and see if we have it right. Now let's look at logarithm. Yes, any real number can be written as another number raised to a power. For example, 9 is equal to 3 squared and 27 is equal to 3p. Yes, by writing numbers in form of a number raised to a power, some of the arithmetic operation can be performed in an alternative way. Yes, 9 times 27 is something like saying 3 squared times 3p. Yes, and the laws of indices which we learned earlier, that is something like saying 3 raised to the power 2 plus 3. That is 3 raised to the power 5, which is 243. It is quite simple solving it this way. So here the process of multiplication is replaced by the process of relating numbers to powers and then adding the powers. If there were a simple way of relating numbers such as 9 and 27 to powers of 3, and then relating powers of 3 to numbers such as 243, the process of multiplying two numbers could be converted to a simpler process of adding two powers. In the past, the system based on this reasoning was created. It was done using tables that were constructed to numbers and their respective powers. So look at what we have here. Number is 1, the power of 3 is 0. Yes, so 3 raised to the power 0 give us 1. 3 raised to the power 1 give us 3. 3 raised to the power 2 give us 9. 3 raised to the power 3 give us 27. 3 raised to the power 4 give us 81. 3 raised to the power 5 give us 243, etc. They were not called tables of powers but tables of logarithm. Nowadays we use calculator to do all this, but logarithm table is still remain an essential concept. Now look at the basic laws of the little things we want to discuss on logarithm today. If a, b, and c are 3 real numbers where a is equal to b raised to the power c and b is greater than 1, then the power of c is called the logarithm of number a to the base of 3 to the base of b, and is written as, yes, remember c here is raised to the power, but here we have c is equal to log b. Sorry, log a to the base b. The base of the log is b. Log a base b is c to log of a to base b. Example is 25. If 25 is equal to 5 squared, then the power 2 is the logarithm of 25. And that's because to the power of 2 is the logarithm of 25 to the base 5. That is 2 is equal to log 25 base 5. So in each of the following, what is the value of x? Remembering that if a equals to b raised to c, then c is equal to log a base b. Now check and what is your answer? Then go down and compare your answer with ours. The first one, we have x equals to log 16 base 2. Our own x is 4. You can see how it is explained. The second one, x is 3, and the third, x is 49. Please check if your answer is correct. In our next video, we'll discuss the rules of logarithm. Thank you for listening through. If you have any question on this, or you want us to assist you with any mathematical problem, please send us a message on our WhatsApp. This is quite easily done.